In this session we can see how to handle windows. Okay, every website having multiple windows, right? Parent window, child window, multiple windows like this. So how to handle these windows? We have two methods here from the Selenium WebDriver. So first method is driver.getWindow handles and driver.getWindow handle. So windows handles, so it will returns multiple set of strings, means multiple windows, and we can handle it one window to another window, switch, we can switch. So if you are using driver.getWindow handle, it will return only one string value, that means window name, so that we can get the parent window. Okay, so here we can see driver.getWindows handles method to handle all opened windows by WebDriver. We can use driver.getWindow handles, and then we can switch window from one window to another window in a web application, and it returns set of strings, means it returns strings. Next, if you are using driver.getWindow handle, so that when the site opens, we need to handle the main window by driver.getWindow handles. This will handle the current window that uniquely identifies is within this driver instance. So, and it returns string. I will show you the example so that you can get clarity. So this is the website. So what we should do here means we should click on this click here but link, then we'll get here you can enter some mail IDs, then click on submit, then we'll get this access details. How it is happening? So if you are clicking on this, another window, child window will open, and that you are getting these values. Okay, so till this we need to handle. Okay, so for that I can write the code. Okay, first navigate this URL, right click, new class, so Windows handle example. Okay, so here also I am using testng. So already we have used this one, right? Browser alert message, same you can copy here for writing that methods, before and after methods. Here you can change all the data. Okay, so here we are having driver launch, so WebDriver launch, Chrome driver launch. Next, this is example for Windows handle. Okay, so we need to handle, so this is the URL, Control C, Control V. So what we should do, we should click on this URL, right? So right click, inspect element. So how to find that URL? Where is URL? This one, right? Check where is the URL. So this is the URL. href pop-up attribute, href attribute value pop-up. You can use contains function. Okay, Control F, wait, so copy this one, Control A, Control C, double slash, tag name is A, right? Anchor tag, and I can use contains function, contains of attribute and attribute value. So I can use in this way. It's not showing. Contains, sorry, comma we should use, and here you can use single quotation or double quotation. Control A, Control C, one of one, it is correct only. So we need to click on that URL, right, on that link. So driver dot find element by dot xpath, then we can give xpath here, control Z, alt tab. We need to copy this, control A, control C, alt tab. In the double quotation we can give, then here we need to click. So if you click on this, so target blank, that means it is going for another window. It is going to open with this URL another window. So now click on this, another window coming, right? So we need to handle this one. What we should do, we should switch it to window. So you can write driver dot switch to dot so we need to switch, but first we where we need to switch, that we need to know, right? So for that, what we should do, we have one method called driver dot get window handle. So we'll get parent window, current window, okay, string parent window, okay. Then we are getting, now what we should do, we should get child window also, right? So how we can get, by using get window handles. So I can print this is parent window p win, okay. Next, driver dot get window handles. It will returns multiple set of strings, right? So we can store this one as in set, so all are in string type. So all windows, we are having windows here, set interface set, we need to handle, that is from java.util package collection. If you learn collection, you can understand this. Control Z, get windows handles, okay. It will return set of strings. We need to traverse. How to traverse? While, so first we need to iterate it. So iterator from util package string type, okay. Then iterator itr equal to, so what we need to iterate, set, right, set of strings, windows dot iterator. So first we need to check that iterator having that element or not, elements are available or not. Then I can use itr dot has next method. So it is checking, and if it is available, then what we should do, string window name is itr dot next, so we'll get that window name here. After that, what we should do, after getting that window, we need to switch it. So you can write this code there, Ctrl X. Here you can see the child window name, child window is what, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Driver dot switch to dot window, and the window name or ID, Ctrl C we can use here, okay, automatically came here. After that, it is switched to child window. So then we need to enter email ID here. So we need to enter email ID here. Right click, inspect, go Control F, input to name email ID, Control A, Control C. So XPath we need to write // tag name input @Control V. Next, so 1 of 1, this is correct, Control A, Control C, on to tab. Next here you can write driver dot find element by dot XPath of, in the double quotation you can write the XPath, and we need to enter email ID by using send case @gmail.com. Okay, then we need to click on that submit button. Right click, inspect, submit. So here we are having that submit, right? So you need to write input tag, input type submit, name equal to Control A, Control C. Here we can change Control V. So name @name. I am removing this single quotation with the single quotation. Control A, Control C, 1 of 1, correct, right? Submit button. Okay, right. Okay, now you can find web element by dot XPath Control V, then need to click on that or submit. Okay, after clicking on this, entering email ID, clicking on this, so we will see this data. Okay, till this we need to do. Alright, that we can see. So code is ready now. Control Shift F. So arrange it format, good format. Right click, run as test.ng. URL, click child window, switching to child window, where we have switched. So click here, close parent window, enter email address, get access data, Lemona. Okay, some mistake happened. What mistake? Have you switched here? Driver dot switch to dot window of win. Here we can write the condition first. If what is parent window? Where is parent window? P window. Okay, parent window dot equals of equal ignore case of child window, not then we can switch to this window and click on this. Okay, after this we need to go for close this one. We need to close driver dot close method. We can use close this window, then go to parent window, driver dot switch to dot window or window name parent window. Okay, sorry, now I'm trying to do this. See what will happen. Right click, run as test engine. Click here. Click on submit, then we get, then closing this child window, go to parent window, driver.close, it's trying to close, parent window also close. Okay, so here you can see child window, parent window and all. So child window, parent window. Okay, right. So this is not maximized, right? For maximizing this, I can use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, now you can see the output clearly. So I will close this one and will close this one. Okay, now we can see. Right click, run as, run on test engine. Finally we should close parent windows. Chrome browser launched, enter URL, maximize the screen, click here, click here, link, click on next, child window open. So switching to child window, email ID entering, enter email ID, click on submit button. Loading all web elements. It's browsing here. If browser is browsing some more time, so you will get no such element exception. To handle that, we can use implicit also. So here we got it, and first the child window should close, then parent window. Close the child window, switching to parent window, then close parent window also. That is script we have written here. Okay, test passed. Okay, so in that way you can handle control shifting, control. Yes. Okay, that's all about today's session.